This place is hot and dry with very little water. Which animal lives here? Polar bear, camel, penguin. Camel. Look at all this snow and ice. Which animal lives here? Walrus, tiger, kangaroo. Walrus. This habitat is underwater, full of coral and sea life. Who lives here? Dolphin, lion, ood. Dolphin. This wide open land is home to roaring creatures. Which one lives here? Zebra, lion, penguin. Lion. This place is warm and full of trees. Which animal swings from tree to tree here? Monkey, elephant, snake. Monkey. This dark, cool place is where some animals sleep upside down. Which animal lives here? Bat, deer, parrot. Bat. This place has still water and plants all around. Who swims here? Frog, tiger, camel. Frog. This bird builds its nest high up in the trees. Which bird lives here? Eagle, penguin, crocodile. Eagle. This animal loves to rest on sandy beaches and dive into the sea. Who is it? Seal, elephant, kangaroo. Seal. This home is full of buzzing workers making sweet honey. Who lives here? Ant, bee, butterfly. Bee. This striped animal grazes here. Who is it? Tiger, zebra, elephant. Zebra. This huge reptile loves to stay in the water and on the river banks. Who is it? Crocodile, rabbit, fox. Crocodile. This mountain animal is excellent at climbing steep rocks. Which animal is it? Goat, penguin, dolphin. Goat. This small animal digs underground tunnels for a home. Who is it? Rabbit, monkey, peacock. Rabbit. This bird stands on one leg in the water. Who lives here? Flamingo, crow, lion. Flamingo.